Today, we're diving into the secrets of success. Imagine your dreams as a map, and we're helping you navigate. But beware, there are 10 pitfalls you'll want to avoid. Ready to turn your dreams into reality? First up, don't be afraid of mistakes. They're like little detours that teach you where not to go. Trust me, the view from the top is worth a few slips along the way. Next, don't forget to grow. Picture yourself as a plant. Water yourself with new knowledge, sunlight of experience, and watch how tall you can stand. Number 3. Never ignore what makes you happy. Success isn't just about money. It's about doing what makes your heart dance. Chase those dreams with a big smile. Here's a biggie: avoid negative vibes. Think of negativity like a storm. Clear it away, and you'll find a brighter, sunnier path ahead. Time is your buddy, not your enemy. Don't wait too long. Every moment is a chance to step closer to your dreams. 6th, make a roadmap. Know where you're headed. It's like having a GPS for your dreams. Clear goals will guide you, even when the path gets a bit foggy. Change is your friend. Imagine life as a dance. Embrace the moves, and you'll find yourself grooving to the rhythm of success. Taking chances is like trying a new flavor of ice cream. Scary at first, but what if it turns out to be your favorite? Take that leap. Number 9, don't play the comparison game. You're like a superhero with your unique powers. Focus on your strengths, and you'll soar higher than ever. And lastly, don't forget to celebrate. Success is a journey, not just a destination. Take a moment to pat yourself on the back. You've earned it. As our journey wraps up, remember, success is like a story, and you're the hero. Every twist and turn, every lesson learned, they all lead to your triumph. If this journey sparked something in you, don't miss out on more uplifting stories. Subscribe, and let's build a community where dreams come true. Together, we're conquering the path to success.